I've been using Ezza for the last few hours and it's become crystal clear to me that this is the tool everyone should be using to navigate through files in their terminal, because who doesn't like icons next to file names, or to view files in a tree view, or even to create custom color themes? I'm going to show you 5 of my favorite Ezza features, starting with this weird one, and make sure you hit subscribe before we get started. Ezza is a modern replacement for the ls command written in Rust that claims to be faster than LSD, and started out as a fork of Exa by Christina, who eventually moved it to the Ezza community. It's not supposed to be a one-to-one replacement for the ls command, which you'll see a bit later, but let's get back to my 5 favorite features, starting off with Git, which you can use with the Git flag in the long format to view indicators like I for ignored, M for modified, N for new, and M on the left means modified and staged. I can even combine the Git and tree flag to get indicators from files inside directories, hide Git ignored files with this flag, or even use the Git repos flag to see what branches certain directories have with status indicators showing us if a repo is dirty or clean. Let's move on to colors, which you would have noticed is definitely different from the default ls command. The Ezza command shows colors by default, but if you're redirecting or piping the output, use the color flag set to always, which will preserve them, and use color scale, showing color scales in a gradient, making it easy to spot large or newer files. But what if you don't like the default colors? You can change them by either downloading a theme from the community and renaming the file in the Ezza configuration for it to be picked up. Or if you have the time, you could create one from scratch by using the theming options as a guide. But at the moment, there is way too much information here. Luckily, Ezza gives us a way to make it more digestible. For example, if I wanted to hide the user and permissions information, I would use the following options. I could even show directories first, only show directories, or even hide specific directories and files. But like I said earlier, Ezza isn't a one-to-one replacement for the ls command. So reversing the list by time, meaning the newest file or directory is at the bottom, doesn't work in Ezza. Instead, you'd have to sort by time to get the same result. You can sort by so many things, and if you have a nerd font installed, you can show icons for files and directories, which can be piped or redirected just like colors. And if you wanted to click to open a directory, you can display them all as hyperlinks, which is a feature I don't think I'll ever use, but I'm glad it exists. And that's a quick overview of my 5 favorite Ezza features, which, fun fact, can also be used with the Exa command if you're feeling nostalgic. But of course, I use aliases, so to me, running ls runs Ezza in the background. Anyway, what are your thoughts on Ezza? Do you already use it? Are you planning to use it? Or do you just not care? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, happy coding.